heart if you close your eyes.
So today, I'm gonna take a shower, then do my hair. Yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I just got my nails done. Did my nails? I did them. They look pretty bad. Okay, so now I'm going to clean my room. So here's a before. There's this on the ground. That. P.U. Yeah. So this is the before, and then we'll do an after.
Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart.
Here's an after. It's not much of a difference, but at least my mom will be happier about my room. And I'm going to do a squishy haul so let's do that right now. So I just set it like right here, and there's nothing really pleasant to see in the background except me high up in my squishies. There's some other stuff in here too, but I'm just gonna give you like a peek at what I have. See, like this Starburst mini? Yeah, that's basically. Okay, so my first one is this one. I actually got this one for Christmas last year from my brother. He's really nice. It's just I Love Squishy brand. Really nice package. And I thought the package was really cute too. So, yeah, that's this one. So, I ordered this one with the Japanese sweet. It's that box right there. It doesn't smell like anything, but it's pretty nice. There's not really like a shine anywhere in my room. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's this one. I like its little feet and its little arm things. Story. This isn't mine actually. This is my friend's. It has her name on it, but let's just hide that. It's supposed to smell like mint. This was on here, so I was like, it's basically already coming off. So I just ripped it off. And yeah, so this one's not great. I don't like this one because it's very defected, but it's a squishy, and that's what they do for Christmas last year for my grandma. It's just a Walmart squishy. I think we were gonna give this one to my brother because like I was with her when we went shopping for this, and I was like, yeah, get him like two and just give me one because I really want my brother to have some squishies. It's not like he loves them, but he doesn't not like them. Like, he likes them. So this one is just a panda bun. I've had this. This was one of my my first squishies. One of my first, at least. It's okay. It's also another I Love Squishy brand. And it was, sorry for the background noise. I got 5 mysteries, so this one. This one's actually probably my favorite out of all of them. This one. This was an old one, I think. It's just like a regular stress ball from my grandma. Just like a stress ball, and it's ripped. Then I got this one from Great Wolf Lodge. out of a claw machine, actually. I was actually with Addie when we went to Great Wolf Lodge. We didn't have our channel by then, so it's not like we vlogged or anything, but we did go to Great Wolf Lodge together, and that was really fun. I don't remember where or when I got this, but I think I got it off of Amazon with my money. Don't know. Some of these are from like friends or family for Christmas or something. And then some I just bought on my own, like that chocolate bar one. Yeah, I like this one. Okay. So maybe if we like lines light. Why didn't I think of that before? Oh my gosh. So this one I got from my friend for my birthday party last year. It's actually in great shape. Oh my gosh, do you see that? That's like actually on it. Oh my gosh, that's weird. Okay. Anyway, I really love it, and I'm not gonna say the girl who gave it to me, but thank you so much for this. I really love it. The girl that gave me the strawberry, she gave me this 1, 2. I don't even know how she like knew that I like squishies. I was like, this is the first squishy that I got from Walmart. It was a PB&J, and yeah, fun fact, I love PB&Js. And then here is another squishy. It has that stuff again. This is a penguin. Fun fact, I also love penguins. First penguin squishy, scented, cream scented, and in love with it. I mean, look how shiny that is, and it's so very cute, in my opinion. Look at its feet. It's very defected. I know it's sad. I love this one, and I don't want it to be defected, but that's life, am I right? So slow rising. Okay, mall with my money. It's not really soft, but I've always wanted a banana, and now I have a banana, and oh girl. I'm going to show this one. I have a bunch of other tiny ones, but I really don't feel like showing them because they're mainly panda buns and stuff like that. Other bathroom, but right now I'm in my parents' bathroom. It's not good lighting here, trust me. Curling iron that I'm gonna use right now. If this video even ends, I'm just gonna say it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to hit that bell after you hit the subscribe so you get notified every time we post a video. And here are my social medias. And Addie's will be in the description box below. So look how messed up this nail is. So is this one. This one's messed up too. Anyway, stat. Don't forget to comment the question of the day, which is the question in the comments below. Yeah, I'm not gonna say bye yet because I really want you guys to see the finished look, and also I have something to show you that's like really exciting. Okay, so I finished curling my hair. No going back now. Ooh, no going back now. Okay, I did it. Modern, but I don't really know what I'm doing, so me flip my hair, and then it's not gonna look good. So please comment what you think it is. Ta-da! Here's the surprise. It's a jacket, a TDC jacket, and I dance. So this is our elite team jacket, because I am on the elite team. Sorry, I'm just checking my curls. It's Trifecta Dance Center, which I really like. That's what it stands for. TDC, Trifecta Dance Center, which means there are 3 things: trifecta, confidence, and community. That's what that stands for. Just check it out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow, that's very blue. I was gonna say too blue, but bye.
You got it, dude!